This is mod 3 for the Warior 2 series. Starting in mountain position. Toes pointing forward, hands down by the side, eyes forward. Big step back with that left foot, so there's about a leg's distance between the feet. Turn that back foot out at 90 degrees. Your right knee is bent at 90 degrees, pointing over that second and third toe. Your heels line up with one another. And then reaching those arms out, door as I flex the hands, gazing over that right thumb. Breathing here, in and out through the nose. Keep pushing your feet down into the floor, hold your belly in, reach the crown of the head up towards the ceiling. If there's any pressure in that back knee, make sure you turn the toes in or take a micro bend into that left knee. Moving into reverse warrior. The legs stay the same. We start to reach that left hand towards the back of our left leg, reaching that right arm up, dorsal flexion of that right hand, eyes are up, stretching through that right side of the body, supporting the left side of the body. Coming back through to Warrior Two, into extended angle. Reach that right arm forward, look towards the left, reach the right arm down as you look up past your left thumb. Little pressure with your right arm and your right knee opening through the hips, back of the neck stays long. Pushing back up through to Warrior Two. Straighten the front leg, heel toe the left foot in, and step back to mountain position. Breathe here. And make sure you do the other side.